guys, running Kimono here. So I went to Walgreens today and there's a deal to get these razors for 11 cents each. It's so easy. You got to do it by Saturday. So we're going to talk about this right off the bat. And I also had a get $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30. So I did it with this. And also we're going to head over to Meijer where there's a couple deals as well. We'll talk about that. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's kind of a cold one out here today. And we're supposed to get a really big snowstorm, so we'll see about that. My husband said you can tell from the sky, but I can't really tell. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. Okay, let's go to Walgreens. So this is a really fantastic deal, guys. It is to grab 2 of these razors, both a men and a ladies. And they have to be priced around the $13.49 price point. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off. So I'll just give you this deal right off the bat and then I'll give you the deal with the toilet paper mountain secondly. So grabbing 2 of these on a buy one, get one 50% off. The first one will be $13.49 and then $6.74. So for 2 of them, that's $20.23. Now, digitally, there's a $5 off for this one and a $5 off for this one. So your new total is $10.23. You'll have to pay that cash out of pocket. The promotion on this week is that when you spend $20, you get back 10. So you're gonna get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this transaction 23 cents for the 2 or 11 cents per razor. Do this by Saturday. Okay, so for the next deal, I had a $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend 30. It came out of the Catalina machine, and it's always a your mileage may vary if you will get this or not. Now, guys, I really want to stock up on toilet paper because I have those dollar coupons. Alternatively, if you have the 50-cent coupons, use them, or if you might have a register reward, you can use that as well. So I wanted my basket to be at least 30 buckos and to use the booster in concert with the toilet paper and the razor deal. So just to jog through this again, the 2 razors is $23.23. The 3 toilet papers is $15 on the nose. Now we have a $1.25 IVC that comes off. So $3.75 will come off for the purchase of these 3. You get the cashier to scan those. So the new subtotal for the toilet paper and the razors is $31.25. At that point, I got the cashier to scan my $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend 30. I also presented my dollar coupons for the Scott. And then the 2 5-offs came off for that. I had to pay $18.48 cash out of pocket. Cash, cash, cash. And then I got back $16 in Walgreens cash. $6 for the 6 when you spend 30, and then $10 for the Gillette deal. So that was fantastic. This whole basket was $2.25 for all 5 items, which is like winning in the craziest way. I will tell you guys something. If you are going to use coupons or register rewards for this scenario, to make sure that the coupon's attached to the right item, ask the cashier to scan the Scott first. If you have 3 coupons like me, the cashier will have to scan all 3. Not scan 1 and then key in 2, but scan all 3. And then when you do that, the dollar coupons can attach to those in the line, and then the 2 5s will attach at the end. Or if you're using register rewards, it'll attach to this. So all your coupons will come off, and that's a little something called the line limit. So make sure that every single item, it's just common knowledge and practice to make sure that the cashier scans every item. When they tend to scan 1 and then key in 2 when you have like items, that's when things get gummed up and digital coupons don't come off. So hopefully that's crystal clear, and you again can do this deal by Saturday. So good luck with this one, guys. Especially just go out and do this if you have the 2 $5 coupons, because this is a tremendous deal. So over at Meijer, Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. Google your location, and if you have this store, unfortunately, there is no sister store. It's not like a Kroger's or a Ralph's or anything like that, but there are some freebies this week, including this new one, which is the Huggies Preemie. This bag is $8.99. We have an $8 M-Perk that works for it, so you would pay the 99 cents for it, which is fantastic. Now, this is also another little cheapie. Well, it's a freebie after this deal. This little toy by Skip Hop. It is $6. We have a $5 M-Perk that would drop it down to $1. So buying these 2 items, guys, it's $1.99 plus tax. You would pay that. And then I got this that came out of the Catalina machine, a $3 on your next order. So it made this free plus a $1.01 moneymaker. And the limit for this is once per store card. Next little freebie is this Febreze plug. This week it's $3. We have a $3 M-Perk, and it zeroes it out to free. And this is once per store card as well. If you were thinking on Sunday there was a free M-Perk for a free box of cereal, it has to be the multigrain Cheerios with real strawberries. This one for 11.5 ounces. Subtracting the M-Perk, it makes it a freebie. If your store was cleared out of them, at the very least you can call customer service, and usually the value of the M-Perk, they might put it on your store card if you get a really nice customer service rep. But for whatever reason for this one, there's such a limited amount of this specific cereal that it's almost impossible to find. But if you can't find it by Saturday, I would call customer service and ask. Why not? You have nothing to lose. But anyhow, I was lucky to find this in the middle of the week. I guess my store restocked and I was able to get 1 free box of cereal. And that is all the deals this week over at Meijer. Okay guys, so this is a deal I didn't do, but I think it's a very good deal if you want to do it. These very large, they're called Safeguard. It's a product by P&G. It's a hand soap. They're on clearance for $1.49. The original price point for this, I think, was like $5.99 when they first came out. We have $1 off 2 M-Perk. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $2.98. Clearance is always a year, mileage may vary, so hopefully they're the same price at your store. If not, you might have to wait a week or 2, or, you know, they may never go on clearance. Who knows? But anyhow, if you can get them on clearance for $2.98, subtracting that $1 off 2 M-Perk, you'll pay $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents for each. There's a good amount of hand soap in here. This is quite the value. I didn't buy it because I was getting them for free last fall over at Walmart. So, you know, it's one of those things. I have a bunch in the basement. So I passed on this deal, but I know for a lot of you that couldn't get in on that Walmart deal last fall, this might be a really great deal for you over at Meijer. Take off. This is kind of like somewhat of a chintzy little Bath and Body Works haul. I have been getting a lot of mailers sent to my house for free items, and I just went in today and got a bunch of like free stuff with mailers. The first was this wallflower plug, and it was completely free, and these things are not cheap. $7.50. Wow. and it was free. It was like a January home mailer, and this was the February home mailer, and it's just a lemon kitchen lotion for $6.50. I remember back in the day, these were like, you know, $3 or $4. They were really cheap, but a nice little lemon theme here. And, you know, I could even gift this to somebody if I wanted to, but I'm going to keep all of it. But yeah, definitely get on the list at Bath & Body Works to get these free coupons, because they're definitely worth something when you can get these free little goodies. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be safe out there.